know, but they're talking about 70. Like,
Yung gagawin ko, isang 70 yung
yeah.
Pero sa go-kart ba, hindi ito. Yung mall, walang yung sa mall.
Yeah, ito sa shopping mall.
Shopping mall?
Air conditioning.
Terminal 21.
Okay.
You see it's over there.
That's the one that we went yesterday?
Terminal 21 shopping mall.
Is that the one that we went yesterday?
No.
We are in Pattaya. Pattaya is 100 minutes from
Oh, okay.
Bangkok.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. No near in Bangkok.
Okay, we go down. We go
Pattaya
now.
at Bangkok.
No.
We go now to that shopping mall.
Let's go.
Terminal 21.
Okay.
Terminal 21 shopping